Most of you visiting my YouTube are probably interested in learning TIG welding. Becoming a good welder is very simple. Take a look at how skilled welders weld and try to copy them. That's it. There is no special method. Today, I prepared my TIG arc shot collection for people who want to learn TIG welding. Please take a look at and try to copy my weld. Invest 6 months and it will change your life. First, how to feed TIG filler wire. I tell millions of times, feeding TIG wire consistently is the most important thing in TIG welding. Okay, let's see how I feed the filler wire. I personally use my thumb, index, and middle finger. I put the wire between my thumb and index finger and pinch wire with the first two fingers lightly. Your thumb is the wire feeder. First two fingers are the fixture. Your thumb moves forward to feed the wire and back up for another feeding. Push it forward and back up, push it forward and back up. Keep the torch parallel to the joint. Loosen your arm. If you strengthen your arm, you can't go up. Loosening your arm, wiggle the wrist. Then the tungsten tip will move left and right, going up along the joint. Please don't think welding is too difficult. Watch my welding videos and try to imitate them. You may not be satisfied with your welding skill now. It's because you're not used to it yet. It takes a while to get used to it. Don't give up and invest for just 6 months. Thanks for watching TIG King YouTube channel.